Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories in corporate filings. And yes, we will see if this company is flying high or getting grounded. Get ready for some news from Senmiao Technology Limited. That's actually good news, a big relief for investors maybe. So today we're dissecting a report from Senmiao Technology Limited. It's a current report, a Form 8K, which usually means something important happened recently. We're talking August 2025, folks. The key event here is that Senmiao Technology received a very important letter from the Nasdaq stock market. This letter basically told them they've met the requirement to have their stock price stay above $1 for a certain number of days. This is a big deal in the stock market world. If a company's stock price dips below $1 for too long, Nasdaq can delist them, meaning their stock can't be traded on that major exchange anymore. Think of it as getting kicked off the main highway onto a much smaller, less visible road. Now, this wasn't a surprise. Just a little while before this good news, back in June and July, Senmiao's stock price had been below $1 for 30 days straight. That's a long time to be in that danger zone. Nasdaq had given them a deadline, a chance to fix it. They had until January of the next year, 2026, to get their stock price back up. And guess what they did? They managed to get their stock price to stay above $1 for 10 days in a row, from late July to early August. This means they've met Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement. The matter is now considered closed by Nasdaq. So from a compliance standpoint, this is pure win. They avoided a major problem. The report is signed by Shi Wen, the Chief Executive Officer. This confirms the company is aware of this good news and is officially reporting it. Now, it's easy to just see this as a quick win, but let's zoom out a bit. For a company like Senmiao Technology, whose common stock trades on the Nasdaq capital market, maintaining that dollar threshold is crucial for their credibility and access to investors. Being close to delisting is a red flag for many investors because it suggests underlying business troubles or a lack of market confidence. This recent compliance means they've successfully navigated a significant hurdle. It shows resilience and perhaps a successful strategy to boost their stock price, whether through operational improvements, investor relations, or even market speculation. However, it's important to remember that this report doesn't give us the deep financial details like a quarterly earnings report would. It's a focused update on one critical event. What this tells us is that the company, despite past challenges that brought them under scrutiny, has managed to execute a plan to satisfy Nasdaq's listing rules. The period from July 29th to August 11th was critical. During these days, the stock price had to consistently stay above $1 and the fact that they achieved this for 10 consecutive business days is the key takeaway here. This report serves as a positive notification for investors. It removes the immediate threat of delisting, which can cause significant price drops and make it harder for the company to raise capital. For Senmiao, this means they can continue to trade on the Nasdaq capital market without interruption, which is vital for their operations and future growth. Looking beyond just the share price, the underlying business health is what truly matters. While this report focuses on a specific compliance issue, it doesn't provide details on revenue, profits, or losses. It's like celebrating that your car can still pass the emissions test, but not knowing if you have enough gas to reach your destination. However, for a company that was facing delisting, simply regaining compliance is a win. It buys them time and breathing room to focus on their core business strategy. Without knowing the company's full financial picture from this specific filing, it's hard to make a definitive judgment on its long-term health, but avoiding delisting is a necessary step in the right direction. So to sum it up, Senmiao Technology Limited has successfully met Nasdaq's minimum stock price requirement, steering clear of a potential delisting. This is a definite positive development that should ease investor concerns about immediate trading accessibility. What's my take on this? Well, avoiding delisting is a critical step for any publicly traded company. It signifies that the company is managing its affairs to meet regulatory requirements, which is a basic but essential function. It indicates that whatever actions they've taken, whether related to business performance or stock market strategies, have been effective in the short term to meet this specific rule. However, this single event doesn't automatically mean the company is financially robust. The real test lies in their ability to generate consistent revenue, achieve profitability, and grow their business sustainably. Regaining compliance is a starting point, not the finish line. Investors should still look for more detailed financial reports to understand the company's true operational and financial health. The risk remains that if their business performance doesn't improve fundamentally, they could face similar issues in the future. But for now, it's a good day for Senmiao Technology Limited investors, a sign that the company is still very much in the game on a major exchange. What's your take on this news? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate finance. And hey, if you want to connect with other finance enthusiasts and get more exclusive content, don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.